We're on a road trip to see the Mighty Five, aka the 5 incredible national parks in Utah.
With my parents. Yeah, a 10-day road trip with 4 people in our small RAV4. Now, if that sounds like a lot, well, it is.
So we're gonna break down the highlights in a series of videos starting with organization.
Plus, of course, where we went, what we did, and our itinerary, so you can plan your own trip.
So subscribe now so you don't miss all 4 videos, all filled with tips, tricks, and gear that culminate in one epic adventure. All right, so for organization in the back of the car here, we have a couple different things. You can see we have our Dometic CFX cooler, which we have a backup battery for so that it stays on all the time, keep things nice and cold. We have the Gregory Alpaca gearbox, which has latches, 4 latches, so it opens both ways, which is really cool. It also seals, so it can keep out the weather if you're gonna leave it outside at the campground. Inside of this, we have plates, mugs, bowls, silverware, literally everything for cooking, basically. A little bit of food, pots, pans, you name it. And then we have the Gregory Alpaca duffel, which is just kind of a catch-all for any little odds and ends that we want to stow back here. And we love it because it has kind of a doctor bag opening, like a wide mouth opening. So it stays open and you can just chuck stuff in there really easy. But for this trip, we needed to keep this super simple because we're gonna have a lot of things that we need to kind of Tetris in here. And all of our duffels will go on top of all of this stuff. And then if we come right over here, and then we have this cargo box from Thule and Yakima rails. I'll put the names of both of those down here and in the description. This is a 16 cubic foot box, which is perfect for what we're doing because we have 4 people, 2 tents, we got double sleeping pads, double sleeping bags. It's a lot of gear. Plus we have our chairs up there and a big game that you saw maybe earlier. And yeah, it fit everything. And for such a small SUV, we're doing pretty well. Plus this thing opens on both sides. So if you're in a parking situation where you want to get things out on one side, easy peasy. And if you come inside the car here, I bet you'll never guess what this is called. This is a Gregory Alpaca as well, for their alpaca line tote. And that's just for all of our snacks. Obviously you could store other things in there, but that's what we're using for snacks. Stays right in the middle of the back seat. Very handy, has these sturdy metal handles if you need to be handling lots of heavy stuff. Stays nice and rigid, love it. So that's organization. We kept it super simple for this trip. Now, if you want to catch the other videos covering the Mighty 5 road trip, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And a few of those will be exclusive to Terradrift.com, so be sure to head over there and sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss those.